Hello everyone, welcome to the series Tragic Flaw in Shakespeare's Plays, and in this video we are going to discuss Romeo and Juliet. Introduction. Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, the epitome of star-crossed lovers, meet their tragic end due to a confluence of flaws stemming from their youth. Impulsiveness and a disregard for societal boundaries mark their actions, ultimately leading to their demise. Through their story, Shakespeare masterfully explores the consequences of impetuous actions and the intensity of youthful love. Impulsiveness. Impulsiveness governs their every move. From their very first meeting, their attraction is immediate and powerful. Romeo, smitten by Juliet's beauty, declares, "Did my heart love till now? Forswear it, sight. For I never saw true beauty till this night." This instant infatuation sets the stage for their hasty decisions as they quickly move from meeting to marriage in a matter of days. Juliet proposes marriage during their balcony scene, saying, "If that thy bent of love be honourable, thy purpose marriage, send me word tomorrow." Act 2, Scene 2. Secret marriage. This impetuously leads to a secret marriage conducted without the knowledge or consent of their feuding families. The friar who marries them expresses concern over their haste, warning Romeo, "These violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die like fire and powder." Act 2, Scene 6. Despite this caution, Romeo and Juliet's passion drives them forward, ignoring the potential consequences of their union. Disregard for societal boundaries. Their disregard for societal boundaries further fuels the flames of their doomed romance. They defy the long-standing feud between the Montagues and Capulets, choosing love over loyalty to their families. This defiance is evident in their secret wedding ceremony and Romeo's reckless return to Verona after slaying Tybalt. Juliet too exhibits this disregard for societal norms, defying her parents' wishes to marry Paris. When Juliet defends her love for Romeo, even after he kills her cousin Tybalt, she says, "Shall I speak ill of him that is my husband? Ah, poor my lord, what tongue shall smooth thy name? When I, thy 3 hours wife, have mangled it." Act 3, Scene 2. Creating of a tragic situation. These intertwined flaws create a tragic situation. Their impulsiveness prevents them from considering alternative solutions, while their disregard for boundaries isolates them from those who might offer guidance. The adults around them, caught in the web of the family feud, are unable to intervene effectively. Romeo's rash decision to avenge Mercutio's death by killing Tybalt results in his banishment from Verona. This separation intensifies the desperation of lovers, leading to further hasty plans. Juliet's decision to fake her death to avoid marrying Paris is another example of their impulsiveness. She places her trust in Friar Lawrence's risky plan without fully considering the potential outcomes, declaring, give me, oh, tell me not of fear." Act 4, Scene 1. Tragic culmination. The tragic culmination of their impulsiveness occurs in the final act. Believing Juliet to be truly dead, Romeo purchases poison and rushes to her tomb to end his life beside her. His impetuous nature is evident as he exclaims, "Well, Juliet, I will lie with thee tonight." Act 5, Scene 1. Juliet, upon awakening and finding Romeo dead, acts with equal haste, choosing to join him in death rather than live without him. Ja, Noise? Then I'll be brief. O happy dagger, this is thy sheath. There rust, and let me die. Act 5, Scene 3. Tragic flaws and demise. Romeo and Juliet's tragedy lies in their impulsiveness and youthful passion, which drive them to make decisions without fully contemplating the consequences. Their love, while genuine and intense, ultimately leads to their demise due to their inability to temper their emotions with reason. Their story serves as a poignant exploration of the perils of acting on impulse and the devastating effects of disregarding societal norms and boundaries. Conclusion. In Romeo and Juliet, Shakespeare masterfully illustrates the intensity and recklessness of youthful love. The tragic fate of Romeo and Juliet underscores the importance of thoughtful consideration and the dangers of letting passion override reason. Through their story, Shakespeare offers a timeless cautionary tale about the consequences of impulsive actions and the tragic cost of youthful fervor. So this was the discussion on the tragic flaw in Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.